Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and let me show you how to apply for a low mileage discount on your Geico auto insurance policy in 2025. All right, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time as usual. You know how we do it. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is to log into your Geico online account. So just go to the website and log into your account, and once you're logged in, you're just going to click on policy details, and then you're going to select the policy that you want to apply the discount to. And once you've selected that, you're going to click on apply for low mileage discount. Next thing you're going to need to do is to enter your annual mileage and other required information. Go ahead and fill that up. And once that's done, you're going to need to review and confirm the discounts. So be sure to review that properly to make sure you have a thorough understanding of the discounts. And once that's reviewed and done, just save changes to your policy, and Geico is going to take care of the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a low mileage discount on your Geico auto insurance policy. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.